A common annoyance for today's music lover is not having the ability to listen to their music in any room of the house without buying fancy equipment. Let's face it, life is mobile. Even in our houses, we are often doing chores or accomplishing daily routines that require us to move from room to room. Wouldn't it be great if music played throughout your home from one single source without breaking the bank? Or better yet, play music from your smartphone in the bathroom while showering without having to connect any wires. Today I'm going to show you an inexpensive way to accomplish both.
One of the greatest things that Apple has come out with in the last decade is a thing called AirPlay. AirPlay is a way for the consumer in iTunes to be able to send their music from their computer to any AirPlay compatible device. For the purposes of this assignment, I'm going to show you how you can use an Airport Express, a USB powered speaker ball, and the USB cable in order to send your music from your computer to any room in the house.
For more information regarding Apple AirPlay, visit www.apple.com/airplay. The first step is to obtain the Apple Airport Express and a USB powered speaker ball. A few of the possible places to obtain these are Best Buy, eBay, Craigslist. Of course, Craigslist is the one option that can probably keep your costs the lowest. Now that we have the hardware, we need to configure your new Apple Airport Express to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Which operating system you're using and how your home network is set up will determine how to do this. An Apple computer was used to make this demonstration, so if you're using Windows, the settings are going to be slightly different. First, we need to connect the Airport Express to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. We're going to go ahead and connect the computer right now to that via Wi-Fi instead of using a cable. It's just a little bit easier. As you see, I'm connected. Then we need to open Airport Utility. We need to name it, and then we need to give the Airport Express a password and click Continue. On the next screen, we want to hit I want Airport Express to join my current network. And then we need to select Join my wireless network. So right here we select which Wi-Fi network is your home. For me, I'm going to go ahead and connect that, and we click Continue. Now we hit Update, and go ahead and click through this disclaimer after you read it. And now your Airport Express is being updated. After approximately 5 minutes, the front light on the unit is going to go solid green. Once that light is green, you're good to go. And as you see, it is now updated and connected to the right network.
Now that we have the Airport Express configured, we can go ahead and connect the speaker to the device. As you can see right here, there's 3 ports. You have Ethernet, USB, which is also powered, and you have your speaker port. And on your speaker ball, or whichever iteration you decided to buy, you have a speaker port and volume control and a USB to charge it. We're going to go ahead and connect the speaker ball's USB cable into the USB port on the Airport Express, and we'll go ahead and put the mini plug into the mini plug port. The speaker ball is already turned on. Now we'll just plug it into the wall. After a few short minutes, the light will go green, and then I'll be able to AirPlay into it.
And lastly, now that everything's connected, we go into iTunes and we click on this icon right here, and we change it from computer to our Airport Express, and we hit play. See, there really isn't much to it. Apple has done most of the work for you. In fact, really the hardest thing you need to do now is find the best playlist for you and your rubber ducky.